Welcome to this day 4. If you have not watched the first 3 days of video, please go and watch it and come back because this will not make any sense of you. Okay? Coming to the major point, we have started seeing what is the meaning of collecting the stories from your past and then your design experience and what made you come into this design. And then we understood about building the resume in a more strategical way. Yesterday was a very interesting thing. We saw about industry research, how it should be done. And today we are going to see something very interesting, okay? How you can make somebody really get attracted in just 40 seconds, which is called an elevator pitch. You can make a very strategic job application going forward. So this is what we're going to see in this video. Take a lot of notes. Let's jump in. If you have taken this last 3 days perfectly and watched the videos and did the activities, you would know what is the continuity for this day 4. If you have not done it, I highly recommend to do it first and then come back here. The objective of using this elevator pitch is you need to create some kind of a elevator pitch or a message in order to attract people. What is mean by elevator pitch? I'll give you an example for it. Okay, I'll give you a small story. If somebody travels in lift before it reaches 4th floor, how you can convince them to get you hired? This is exactly called elevator pitch. So what will exactly say and how that pitch will be there? That's the exact point. For this activity, all the earlier activity needs to be there. Then and only the crafting elevator pitch will become very easy. What is the process behind creating this elevator pitch? That's the first important point. There are 4 components to this. First is introduction. Second is the key skills what you got. Third is the unique selling point. And fourth is you need to give a call to action. Okay. Introduction is about telling yourself who you are. Like let's say I'll give you an example. Hey, I am Jagdish. I have a 9 years of experience in product design. I'm a mechanical engineer as well as a product designer. Currently, I'm working in a medical product design. This is my introduction. What are the key skills you got? I'm very interested in doing research and I did more than 20 projects which is closely related to research. I'm proficient in product, primary research, secondary research, and I'm very conversant in design thinking process. This is the skills I've got. What are the unique selling point? I have a perspective, what other people don't see in the normal design problem, which I take a stance of exactly doing it in a different way. Same problem, solved in an optimized way, producing better output, lesser manpower, more efficiency, and I would make it very cost effective as well. Okay, that is the power of design thinking, which I've developed over the years, which not all the designers has it. Because I'm an engineer turned designer, I have that unique selling point. So you can find one unique selling point in your own history, in your own past, and then you have to give a call to action. Call to action is like, hey, hi, I would like to discuss about your problem in your industry, what you're currently facing, and how we can discuss to solve it. I have a proposal for you. Can we have the interview in the virtual call or live? You have to ask with a question. That's called call to action. If you're not giving call to action, even if you are very experienced, even though your pitch is good, nobody is going to reply you. Very simple, very crystal clear. Okay, so call to action is very important. So there are 4 components in the whole elevator pitch. One is introduction, second is key skills, third is USP, call to action. Hi, I'm Jagdish. This is my so and so. This is the skills I've got. You to explain you that. There is no chance that you will get rejected because you strategically found the need using the day 3 formula, and then you are building your story accordingly to match the skills and building your resume and portfolio accordingly. And then what happens is you create an excellent value proposition for them. And 68% of the people say having a pitch is important. This was done by a survey by LinkedIn. So what it means is people are looking for some very interesting thing what you got. They don't have so much of time to read your portfolio, read your resumes. It's very normal. It's like nobody has that much of time. I think you might know it. That is why this elevator pitch comes in, to make it very attractive and propose your idea. Maybe your industry could have a problem like they are looking for somebody who can solve their fintech problems. They want to build a website in few days. They want to serve the client, multiple clients in one particular month, like 4 to 5 projects they are getting, but they're not able to handle. They need more website builders and designers and other people. So you can make your elevator pitch like this. Hey, hi, I'm Ramesh. I have a skill of building any responsive website in no matter time. I can do it by using AI tools. I can do it by using Figma. I can do it by using Webflow. I can do it by using Framework. I am proficient in all the tools. But what I'm really interested in is how to understand the user, how to empathize with their needs, and finding out the need of how the people can engage in my website, and I exactly can bring that in my design. Give me a design task, I can show that in just 2 hours. If that is interesting, then we can have an interview tomorrow in the morning. What's your reply? See, I don't have a portfolio to tell this. Okay, I don't need a 10 years of experience to tell this. I just need a mindset to understand and the little intelligence to find out what they're really solving in the industry and offer them a solution. People are going to pay you when their problem is getting solved, and you are going to do that. That's how they will pay you. The more big problem you solve, the big pay you get. The little smaller problem you solve, the smaller pay you get. Very simple. If you're not having big salaries, go and question this. You will get it clear. You have to tailor make this message using just 4 components, and you have to pitch it to the right person, decision maker. Don't just send it to normal HRs who are intermediate persons. Sometimes HRs will be decision makers. That's okay. But find that if they are the relevant person there. Sometimes it will be consultant. Sometimes it will be consultant. So whoever it is, make sure you send to the relevant decision-making people. You can make a message in these 4 components. Create an introduction, put your key skills, put your USP, create a call to action, and rephrase this using ChatGPT or Cloud AI. Don't use a ChatGPT first. Use your GPT first, and then clarify that message, make it concise and rephrase it, and then you can pitch to different people. Okay, you can send us a message, you can send us an email, you can send us a what you call personalized connect note in LinkedIn. Whatever is your comfort, you can do it. Even in the free account, you can send 5 personalized emails. Okay, and even in premium, you can send unlimited. Okay, so use it effectively and find the decision makers. Talk to the people which is in the day 2 and day 3 properly before sending out. Okay, and once if you're doing this, then you have to do a practice. Okay, do a role playing with your friends. Get a review messages from your peers. Okay, if you are in my program, I would do it live for you and then show it. That's okay. If you're watching in this video, you can just find it. If you wanted to collaborate with me to join here, you can find the link in the chat box. You can first chat hi message with us, so that if we find you're also interested, we'll take you in. Okay, because sometimes what happens is too much higher knowledge, low on implementation will not give you any results. So you need some accountability to make sure you're practicing in the right way, your mistakes are corrected, and then you are getting results for it. You can do a role playing, you can get a review from that, and then you can make an activity which I'm going to give you now. You can take 5 industries, find their need, prepare your stories, blend a very good pitch letter or elevator pitch letter, and send them messages, 5 messages. You can type out in this chat box what is the message you did. I'll read each and every comment of you and correct it, no problem. And if that message is okay, you can immediately send to the recruiters for hiring you. Okay, very, very interesting. There are a lot of students who have got results because of this. I can tell you one good example. There was one student who she is working with me for a lot of time, 3 to 4 months, but she's not getting an opportunity in an interview. And then she said, Jagdish, I don't know how to talk to these people to get it cleared. I don't know how to make the elevator pitch, Jagdish. I don't know how to exactly talk. She said everything. I said, just stop. Relax. Why you wanted to go for that industry? I find that industry is not very suitable for her, but she is interested. She is very fitting for that. She made that Excel sheet, she made the format, she made the analysis, why it's very relevant. She is very confident. I asked her, okay, why you wanted to go there? Sir, you are looking for a fresh perspective designers, right? I would also look for an environment where I can come and grow and learn a lot. I'm not worried about salary. You give whatever you want, that's okay. She got hired. It's been 3 months. She's learning a lot. She's learning very, very deep concepts. She's not even having time to even relax. So that much of learning she's getting. So it can get you hired even though when you don't have any experience. She doesn't have any design degree. So the point is, if you use the right words, find the right need, they're also looking for fresher. You're also a fresher. They're also giving a lot of key projects which they wanted to bring a fresh perspective. You also want to work for that industry, kind of an industry. You made that solution, offered a proposal, they accept it. As simple as that. There is no magic in this. Okay, so select 5 industries and pin me in this video what you really made that practice, how you crafted that, and then you can find that this message will go like a dolphin and penetrate with them. The moment if you are able to do it, you will see a lot of reply coming for you. You will see there are a lot of people who are replying you very fast for an interview, for a discussion, for a design task, for some kind of opportunity which you might be looking for a very long time. Okay, I hope this video made a lot of sense for you. Type out in the chat what are the craft messages and elevator pitch what you made, so that I can able to correct with you to do it. Okay, take care. We'll see you in another video.